Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Aayush and today I'm gonna draw a manga sketch after a long time of Sasuke Uchiha. So I'm drawing a manga sketch after a long time, which is going to be Sasuke holding his Chidori in his right hand. But after inking the drawing, I'm going to add some twist to our drawing, which will hopefully make our drawing even better. For example, I am also going to use few colors, only few colors for coloring specific areas like the eyes, the Sharingan of Sasuke and the Chidori, and also I'm going to write Sasuke's name just besides him, and I'll also underline it with by drawing his sword. So first of all, for drawing today's sketch, we will need a perfect square of 4 centimeters each side, and for the materials, I'm using a 0.5 mechanical pencil for sketching, and for erasing this time I'm going to use a different kind of eraser which I have never used before, and which is also called electric eraser. So if you're not familiar with this eraser, it basically works on battery, and it has a motor inside. Because of the battery, the motor runs, and the eraser, which is very tiny actually, it's not very big, but there's a button right here. If you press it, the eraser rotates and you can erase your drawing very accurately and smoothly. So I wanted to try this eraser since a long time, and finally I'm going to try in this sketch, which you will see in the video. So stay tuned. And yes, I got this from Amazon, which you can also get very easily. It is from Derwent company. I'll give reviews for this eraser after using it at the end of the video, so stick till the end of the video. And for inking, this time I'll be using 3 markers. First, 2 markers which I usually use in all of my drawings, which are first is 0.05 Copic multiliner for inking thin lines, mainly for inking facial features, and for remaining body I'll be using 0.1 Copic multiliner for inking thick lines. And last but not the least, a Sakura brush pen, which I'll be using after finishing the basic lining and basic inking of my drawing. Basically, by using this marker, I will give bold lines around the character, which will pop out our character even more. A white pen for giving highlights to our drawing. A charcoal eraser for erasing pencil lines after inking and for dust-free erasing. And finally, some Copic sketch markers for coloring our drawing. I know it's gonna be a manga sketch, but like I said earlier, I'll be adding some twist to my drawing after inking, so that's why I'm using few of my Copic sketch markers for coloring, and that's all we need for drawing our sketch. We are good to go, so let's get started. And our drawing is complete and it looks so good. I am really surprised with the results because it turned out way better than what I expected. Now you can clearly see what I added up in my drawing. First of all, a few colors which I used, some red shades, some blue and some grey shades. I just thought Sharingan looks really good when it's colored red, and same goes with the Chidori. Also, you can see I added up his name written as Sasuke. And below it I drew his sword and used it as an underline for the name, which looks really good. I feel it looks much better with the name and with the colors which I added after inking. And also like I mentioned earlier, I'll be using a new eraser which is electric eraser, and it worked really well. I enjoyed it a lot. I enjoyed using it. First of all, it was really easy to erase, it was smooth, it was dead accurate. It's really good if you are looking for more precise erasing, which I do. So it worked really well for me. I would definitely recommend it to you guys if you have not used it yet. And also it gives a particular sound which is somewhat like this. So that was all about the eraser. I hope you enjoyed the video. I enjoyed a lot drawing the sketch and making this video for you all. If you enjoyed it too, then drop a like and share your views down below in comment section. Also share, do you want to see more drawings like these in future? And if you're not part of the channel yet, then hit the subscribe button for more awesome videos in future. Also share this video with your friends so that more and more people can watch it. You can even follow me at Twitter, Instagram and Facebook at Aayush for getting my latest drawing updates. I'll be also sharing the links down below, so go check them out. And that is all for today guys. Thanks for watching. I'll see you all in my next video. Bye bye.